Wrap up question. ठीक है. Are you in love?
No, I'm not.
You should be love and building our company.
Yeah, I love my job. I love my work. I
Love your
enjoy that.
work.
Yeah, I
ठीक है.
love them.
If you love your work, you will get rewards.
Absolutely.
बढ़िया रहेगा.
तो पीना भी है कि सिर्फ ऐसे?
ना हम पे भी सकते हैं. सब एक्टिंग थोड़ी कर रहे हैं हम लोग क्या. नहीं तो सब बोलेगा कि एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं. So we order this from Instamart. ठीक है. कितना मिनट टाइम लिया डिलीवरी के लिए?
I prefer Blinkit.
Okay, but Instamart also delivers in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? I saw it for half an hour.
Because ये लोग कागे से डिलीवर कर रहे थे.
So what? I mean, उसको उतना आइडिया नहीं था ये आई को कि मतलब आसपास से कहीं से डिलीवर करना है.
अच्छा, do you know how this
इंस्टा वाला?
Insta no any like this 10-minute delivery startup works? You have an idea?
I have vague idea because one of my friend he wanted to get a franchisee of that thing, not Blinkit. What was that? Zepto.
Okay.
So it was a investment of somewhere around 2 crores he was saying in Bangalore. I don't know. I have no idea about that. So whatever he said, I just
मेरा खुल भी नहीं रहा है.
खुल गया. I don't know how to do all this podcast and all that, but
I will teach you. ठीक है. Now get back to the topics. So we were discussing कि are you aware of like how this Blinkit or this fast delivery model works?
not much about it honestly. But I know that the moment I order, somebody takes somewhere it goes. I saw a big office of Zepto, which was close to my office. So
They have a
then-
lavish office. No?
Yeah, it's not lavish. I mean, it's kind of normal. It's not a lavish. That glass door, तुम जो बोल रहे थे, glass वाला. It's kind of that. अभी नया बना है, and sitting capacity कुछ अच्छा खासा है. So I think it's a kind of call center or data, which comes to them, and then it was sent to the nearest location. I think the Blinkit stores or warehouse, whatever you say, they are situated, in different areas which cover maybe 2 kilometers, 5 or 10 kilometers. I have no idea. Because when I made purchases in a different locations in Bangalore, I wanted a dark curtains, where opaque kind of thing is there. So in my area I was getting. When I switched to a different area, then I wanted to purchase a couple of more, then it didn't show up. I think that when I order, it will go to the some center, and then according to the location they just send the order to that particular warehouse. I think that's how it works. So I'm wrong, right?
No. You have actually understood the pattern. ठीक है. So because of which you have actually very correctly articulated the startup model. So it basically the stores are called dark stores.
Okay, I have no idea. Thanks for it.
So dark stores, ठीक है. It's around like 2 kilometer radius or whatever the radius is, and उस पे they have stored सामान पहले से.
Okay.
That is the reason you said कि यहाँ पे dark पर्दा available था. The next area it was not available. वही reason है.
Okay, it's called dark store.
It's called dark stores. So
Okay. Same way Blinkit also works, I think.
every fast delivery model they work. But dark store came into limelight. The name was because of Zepto. Because Zepto जब सीरीज A, सीरीज B, सीरीज C क्लॉक करते जा रहा था हायर वैल्यूएशन पे, अभी भी $500 million से रेज किया है. तो ठीक है. तो उसके बाद इट वाज इन नेम.
Okay.
So this is how they
And the products, I mean, you can get. I never saw TV or something like that.
in Blinkit,
I think I don't.
in Zepto.
I didn't see. I guess I didn't see.
So they have partners.
Mobiles and all that. They are the partners. 15-20 हज़ार तक का मोबाइल आई सॉ. आईफोन वाईफोन तो मेरे को दिखा नहीं. मतलब बैंगलोर जैसा जगह में जहाँ कुछ एरियाज में हम देखे थे, तो मे बी शायद प्रोडक्ट्स.
You know they are partnering. Zepto is partner with some automobile.
हाँ.
So 10-minute car delivery.
Okay. That's happening in Western countries. You can order them online like that. So thanks.
But I don't think like
That will work.
That will
Because
work in
for
India.
Indians, घर एंड गाड़ी, दीज आर इमोशन.
वेरी ट्रू.
इट्स जस्ट नॉट दैट कि हम ऑर्डर की ले लिए. मे बी देर आर फ्यू बट
इसका लाइक वो वही हो जाएगा, लाइक बहुत पुराना मॉडल हो जाएगा, वही टाटा का नैनो क्यूब आपने किया था. सेम थिंग.
एग्जैक्टली.
इट्स इमोशन अटैच टू पीपल. लाइक
एग्जैक्टली.
कोई ऐसे बोलते चलते हैं मेरे डब्बा गाड़ी लेके घूमता है तो कोई नहीं खरीदेगा. वही बात है. सेम वर्क्स विद लाइक आई डोंट थिंक 10 minutes car delivery will work, but you never know.
Bike, I mean, rent bikes and all that, if they keep, I think that will work. I mean, Blinkit, like, you know, I mean, I don't know if they are coming into automobile. I would suggest, if somebody is listening to me, I would suggest, you know, put some rent bikes and all that. We really need that, you know. अब तो करना बैंगलोर में वो नहीं रहा, टैक्सी बाइक्स हटा दिया था. पता नहीं, I don't know whether they revoked that.
You can do that, but it comes in a lot of jig.
Of course,
Renting a bike,
everything has jig, but it would be easy, you know, if they manage it properly, then nothing comes. उससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं होगा. और एक और क्या था हम देख रहे थे. I mean, see, after almost like 5-6 years again I shifted to some Cosmo metro kind of city, you know. अब तो metro बोलें या नहीं, population तो शायद हो गया होगा. तो
which place you're talking about?
Bangalore.
Okay.
So I worked in Delhi, I worked in Kolkata, Mumbai, very short period, Pune, Hyderabad, the longest one I think, then Chennai, then Bangalore. So their मॉडल, यू नो, बिजनेस ये जो बहुत फास्ट हो गया अब जो देखते हैं. इनिशियली आई मीन इट वाज लाइक व्हाट वी आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग इन दीज टाउन्स, रांची वगैरह में जैसा उस तरीके से था. अब जो है इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली चेंज्ड, यू नो, कम्प्लीटली चेंज्ड द वे दे वर्क, द वे दे फंक्शन, यू नो, दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. तो वहाँ एक चीज़ हमको बड़ा अच्छा लगा. हमारे यहाँ एक साइकिल है यहाँ पे, देखे हो साइकिल, वो ऐप के थ्रू में यू रिचार्ज इट एंड देन वहाँ पे योलो करके, इट्स अ काइंड YOLO, yeah, YOLO, I think it is YOLO.
It's pronounced, it's spelled YULU, I think.
हाँ, YOLO. I don't know. तो वो sorry, इलेक्ट्रिक मोपेड की तरह होता है. So यहाँ से उठाए and all that. That was very good. But best part is what, you know, कि I need a job. I'm moving to Bangalore. I don't have anything. I don't have bike. I have nothing. But I want to earn something. Swiggy and these guys are Blinkit वगैरह जो delivery partners है, they are earning good, I mean handsome amount where they can survive in that city. तो वो लोगों को खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता. They can get the subscription and then they can deliver it. अभी यहाँ पे किसी को बोलो चलो हमको I want to be partner of Swiggy or Instamart or anyone, मेरे को I need to have one bike. But वहाँ पे वो चीज़.
So you're saying one startup is making easier for the other startup.
Yeah, and that's, you know, it's just not they are making money, they are making life easy for customers and the partners associated with them.
I think that's the best way to create an ecosystem.
Exactly.
And
it's just not, you know, मैं कुछ करा and I just want, I'm earning. You know, you are contributing towards society as well. There are a lot of people, you know, it's not like that the people are educated and all that, but mostly जो है जो पहले बिहार झारखंड से जो माइग्रेट करते थे, ये उड़ीसा, एंड अब तो ज़्यादातर लोग इवन तुम्हारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड से भी काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं. तो उनके लिए जो है एक ईजी लाइवलीहुड है, जस्ट टू रजिस्टर एंड आई थिंक सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया, गाड़ी मिल गया एंड स्टार्ट हो जाओ.
आई थिंक व्हेन यू pointed out this na ki YOLO is helping to become a rider at Swiggy or Zomato or any other 10-minute delivery startup. You know, this is a very good blueprint for anyone who wants to start a startup but is afraid of like competition. Think about it. You want to start a food delivery startup but you are afraid ki bahut competition hai yaar, already big player है Zomato, Swiggy है. So but don't start with food delivery. ठीक है, think about around. I explained to you earlier na pre and post. So what does it require to become a food delivery partner? you require a motorcycle, ठीक है, to deliver.
Exactly.
So Yulu built, I'm not sure Yulu कब build हुआ था,
हाँ.
but you can build a brand. Let's say in a city, if you start a food delivery startup, ठीक है, either I have option to be fair, have fear from you, and then don't do anything, ठीक है, and just think about it, or I can build a collaborative way, that is to providing you a platform to rent scooties or anything for the delivery partners.
I think, I mean, they don't partner, but still, you know, in other way.
In other way, they are like they're
partnering.
helping.
Exactly, exactly.
I'm saying
they are in hand, you can say.
Yes.
I mean, but without, I don't think they have planned like that, but it happened.
no, I'm not saying it's a collaborative approach as a startup. I'm saying as an individual, if you want to build company,
Right.
this is how you think. That is, if you can't build in the space with there is a lot of competition, build either what is required pre or build what is required post.
Right.
जैसे
That's
शैम्पू में बहुत ज़्यादा competition है, so build what people use before shampoo or after shampoo. That is conditioner, before shampoo,
तेल वेल लगाया.
serum.
Okay.
Yeah, that is how.
I'm not so, अब उतना पता नहीं Gen Z से और क्या क्या लगाते हैं.
So we have majorly we use, like, I recently asked one of my friends. She was glowing a lot. So I asked ki, what is
The secret.
secret skincare? She was like, Aqualogica का फेस वॉश यूज़ करो, Aqualogica का सनस्क्रीन यूज़ करो, Aqualogica का आई थिंक शी मेंशन मॉइस्चराइजर
Okay.
यूज़ करो, इसको यूज़ करो, दैट्स इट.
हम तो बचपन में तो जो मिल जाए वो रिन भी मिल जाए तो लगा लेते थे, फेस को धोना है, बट नाउ बस दिन में 1 या 2 बार फेस.
नाउ डू यू लाइक ऐसे डू स्किन केयर?
ना, आई डोंट.
नो स्किन केयर,
नथिंग.
जीरो.
नो स्किन केयर, नो हेयर केयर. बट हाँ, केयर के नाम पे यू नो जस्ट डाई वाई कर लो, क्योंकि ग्रे हेयर आ रहा है. आई डोंट लाइक ग्रे. तो उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं.
अभी तो स्पाइक्स बनाने की बात कर रहे थे.
हाँ, करेंगे. आई लव दैट. तो वो हेयर स्टाइल एक बार काट देगा एंड आई विल पुट सम जेल एंड ऑल दैट. या, आई यूज्ड टू.
इट्स बेटर टू पुट वैक्स, ठीक है.
वैक्स. ओके. इट डजंट हार्म.
No, so wax have least, according to my research, wax have least disadvantage compared to like gel.
ओके.
Gel क्योंकि I'm not sure, क्योंकि वो सस्ता मिलता है, हमको लगता है कि वो बाल खराब कर रहा होगा. And wax is not expensive, but it's in mid range. But wax come in powder form, ठीक है.
Okay.
Someone told me that it's better for you, gives you volume.
Oh, I have that thing. I never used it. I bought it, but still there. So let me try that. So that may can help.
When you understand the use case of any product ना, तब वो easy हो जाता है कि कौन सा अच्छा है. तो because when hairs में अंडरस्टैंड कि वॉल्यूम क्रिएट करोगे तो वो बाल अच्छा है, तो दैट वो मेरे को फुलफिल हो रहा है वैक्स के थ्रू. ऑल्दो आई डोंट यूज, बट ठीक है.
व्हेन आई डाई तो उसमें भी वॉल्यूम आता है. आई डोंट नो, समहाउ आई फील दैट थिकनेस भी बढ़ जाता है हेयर का.
डाई से वॉल्यूम बढ़ता है बालों?
मेरे को लगता है. आई डोंट नो इफ आई एम रॉन्ग और राइट, क्योंकि जब यू नो व्हेन इट्स for a couple of months, if I don't do that, you know, often. In a month or 2 I do that. So जब मैं करता हूँ तो it looks, you know, thicker and all that. सब कुछ बदल जाता है अचानक से. Maybe I have no idea. So that's not what we were discussing. भूल जाते हैं यार.
No, we are just having random conversation, I think.
Yeah. So I was talking about one more thing. I mean, हम लोग जब बात कर रहे थे.
So you mentioned about metro cities. You mentioned about I was working here and there, and then I interrupted you in between. So that is the.
Yeah. So coming to that point, you know, every city has got their own charm and the way of business what they do. Of course, there are some यूनिफॉर्मिटी थोड़ा मेंटेन करते हैं, जैसे ये ज़िप्टो, ब्लिंकिट एंड ऑल दैट. बट उसके अलावा भी जो उनका बिजनेस करने का मॉडल है ना, जहाँ अगर हम बैंगलोर में देखें, आई कैन सी यू नो फूड कंजप्शन इज़ टू मच. मे बी यू नो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर वर्किंग, दे डोंट वांट टू कुक.
What Bangalore food consumption is much?
हाँ, आई मीन बाहर का जो खाना, आई थिंक यू नो मोस्ट ऑफ देम दे आर वर्किंग. एंड डेफिनेटली वीकेंड्स में बाहर जाते हैं. आई थिंक 80-90% जाते हैं बाहर खाना.
वेरी ट्रू.
और वीकडेज में जो है मोस्टली मतलब नॉट मोस्टली यू नो देर इज़ अ डेफिनेटली रेशियो है कि डे में कहाँ डे शिफ्ट्स हैं नाइट शिफ्ट्स हैं, तो 24 आवर क्लॉक जो है वो चलता रहता है फूड का. पीपल कीप ऑन ऑर्डरिंग, और यू नो ब्रेक्स हो गए या कुछ लॉन्ग ब्रेक हो गया, दे गो आउट समवेयर नियर टू द ऑफिसेज एंड दे ईट इट.
सो ऐसा सीन है ना कि मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे ऑफिस के काम है इसलिए घर में खाना नहीं बनेगा, सैटरडे संडे पार्टी है इसलिए घर पे खाना नहीं बनेगा. सो पूरा वीक इट्स लाइक
Exactly. So how do you how you think, you know, when you grow old, क्या करोगे क्या नहीं करोगे? जब कॉलेज से पास आउट हुए थे तो what were in your mind? कुछ तो सोचे हो गया मैंने.
पापा वाला क्वेश्चन आ गया ये तो. पापा वाला क्वेश्चन आ गया.
Exactly.
व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू?
हाँ, क्योंकि हमारे टाइम में भी ऐसे ही था, बट कुछ भी करो था.
Okay. So I'll give you a brief answer for this. ठीक है. When I was 16 or 17, I got very early exposed to the internet. ठीक है. Because of which I have a clear pathway which I want to follow. ठीक है. Because of which मेरे को rush नहीं है. Because of joining before college, I was like I want to follow this part. ठीक है. And that is building a brand. ठीक है. I want to build a brand. I don't know where, how, and when will happen. ठीक है. But I want to build a brand. So that is the pathway I've chosen. So everything I'm doing apart from मतलब उसके इन्हीं around कर रहे हैं. Like I'm learning, either I'm learning or either I'm building a brand for someone else.
Okay.
Like being small part of that company or that personal brand. ठीक है.
Okay.
So that is what I'm trying to do. अभी भी so this is called actually अभी इसको मिल रहा है attention. This is called lifelong learner. I want to be that lifelong learner. कि if you are not sure about what is the future, like I'm not sure what is the future because of AI, because of a lot of the things. ठीक है. AI is the biggest fear because every day market is changing. तो उसमें हम ये चीज़ में नहीं रह सकते कि if I learn this X thing, then I'll be able to upgrade myself or I'll be able to sustain myself. So that is the reason I try to learn everything, anything possible. ठीक है. From everywhere. ठीक है.
And people say that, you know, jack of all trade makes you what something, कुछ कदा उदा बना देता है.
Yes, jack of all trades and master of none. But I believe that.
But exactly. Even I too. You know, I have pinched by many people. You know, I worked in different sectors and I did fairly well. You know, I won't say exceptionally well, but fairly well. I did fairly well. Learned a lot of things, and that really helped me in my day-to-day life, in my personal life, and professionally also. You know, I can correlate them, and you know, that makes my work, my job easy for me.
No, so today's world, it's possible to be in a multiverse. ठीक है. It's very possible that you be a jack of all trade, not jack of all trade, but be skilled in a lot of the game.
Exactly.
That is the way to go forward.
At least you have a fair knowledge about that thing, you know.
Yes.
I mean, many things that which you can implement.
If you can earn money from a lot of income sources, if you talk about money, what's the problem?
No problem.
And we have time, we have the resources.
Yeah, I mean, you know, in India also we are. I mean, ये तो शुरू हो गया था कि you know you can, जब से इंटरनेट आ गया, that made our lives very easy. You can do freelancing for different things and
be like Soham Parekh.
No. But I don't think there is anything wrong as long as he's, you know, doing his job perfectly. You know, whatever he got assigned for. So if he's
he was delivering everything whatever he was required. The only problem was from the ethical point of view.
Yeah, but you know, see, that guy is
great
hard
guy.
work.
Great.
Yeah.
Great. He was cracking interviews in YC backed startup.
And nobody knows about it for some time.
Just think about it. एक तरफ डिबेट चल रहा है कि इंडिया में जॉब नहीं है. And just think about it. एक लड़का जो डीजे सांगवी से पढ़ा हुआ बॉम्बे का is cracking all the startups. नौ startups का इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर ले रहा है. So it's purely the skill and luck.
Absolutely.
Also the luck.
Absolutely.
Because I was reading about him and he mentioned that there's one kind of code writing style.
Okay.
So in coding. So he was lucky enough to that in all the interviews that code style was not mandatory.
Okay.
So because of which he found a loophole. So because he said that if I was called out for this like skill to showcase, then I would have failed in that interview. Okay. Luckily in all the 9 interviews I had the requirement of the other skill which I have learned like in coding. So it was also luck.
Yeah, not many of us get those kind of chances to, you know.
बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि a lot of Indians are doing this thing.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
बहुत कोई करते
कॉल आउट नहीं हो रहा है आपको.
आई डोंट पर्सनली, तो मैं किसी को जानता नहीं हूँ, कोशिश भी नहीं
I
करूँगा.
did for a while.
As you said, multi,
Multiverse.
multiworks and all that. Multiverse बोलते हैं इसको.
Yes.
Okay, thanks for the new term. मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ, even I am thinking of doing, my work, काम जो करें, but there should be backup. Last year it was a trauma for me. It was, I can use all words. When all of a sudden you wake up, you get a call, bro, you are no more in this company from
You are
tomorrow.
someone who has experienced layoff.
Yes.
हम लोग न्यूज़ में सुनते हैं you are someone who has actually experienced.
And I thought I'm the only one on this planet, but when I shifted to Bangalore, I saw every other guy, अरे यार layoff के चलते हैं.
How was the layoff? Tell me.
It was terrible. I was in mental trauma at least for a month, and I don't have many people to take care of. Only 2 people in my family whom I have to take care. So that was easy. I can take care of them. But the biggest problem is that, when you have that mindset that you are doing pretty well in your company, everything is good. Everything is, work-life balance, everything is sorted. But you make some plans, right? Like, I have EMIs, loans and all that. So you upgrade yourself according to the salary what you have, right? So I also did few things.
So before layoff, you were not aware, like इतना भी you were not had a hint.
Not a single hint.
अच्छा, tell me, जैसे if I'm someone who's an active reader, so I was aware. Like, do you know any people who were aware of like this is going to happen, layoff is going to happen?
See, few changes were happening in the top level, so that
was not disclosed.
No, that was disclosed. Everyone is aware about that. Few people who are, I think from the day the company started, they were there, who left the company, all the changes were made. So I never thought, that will hit us. To this level, it will hit us. So all of a sudden when you get, then when company says you cannot work for 2 companies, which we were talking just before that, what if you all of a sudden throw, in the name of layoff, whatever it may be, so what will that person will do? I think everyone should have a backup, whether it's a 2 job,
Very true,
or they are doing something business or whatever, whatever thing they in their mind, so they should do it.
No, you can't blame every time, like na.
No, I'm not blaming. I'm blaming myself. I'm not prepared for it.
Yes.
I'm blaming myself. I'm not blaming anyone. They have given me bread and butter for that long time.
Yes, very true.
That was the only thing which I'm not able to digest at that point of time. Why me? Why you have taken me off?
Sorry to interrupt. What do you think about the concept of layoff? Is it good? Is it bad? What is your thought?
See, if I am employer, then I think it has to happen.
If you are the why do you think so?
The reason behind, there are many people who are stagnant. Maybe I was not among them, for sure. हो जाता है कि salary benchmark आ जाते हैं, and they are not growing. They are not, they are doing the same job again and again, and you have the same skill set which you learned, very very lesser time span, lesser period. And for me, I have taken so much of time and I learned those skill set, and still there are a lot of skill set which you are ahead of me. Maybe I'm not updated myself time to time, so that is one of the reason. So the top people, CEOs and all that, think कि थोड़ा सा हटाओ, 10 को हटाओगे तो हम 50 को ला सकते हैं.
Very true.
ये होता है. तो ये भी
how I see layoff is now, when you are building a company, ठीक है, you are running a boat.
Exactly.
Now there are a lot of process. You have you been to Rishikesh?
No, I never.
So when हम लोग गए थे recently, ठीक है, तो when you are doing, there are like commands, ठीक है, forward, ठीक है, ऐसे you will get a lot of the commands from the coach. So when you are running a company, you are running a boat. Now layoff is one of the part, like the command. Like you throw कुछ लोगों को बोट से, because it's required.
भारी हो रहा है,
बोट डूबे
ये स्लो चल रहा है.
Yes, क्योंकि बोट डूबे ना. It's part of the company, and it's part of the hierarchy which you need to follow to build a bigger company which you have dreamt of.
Right.
But if you're doing this unethically, then it's wrong. ठीक है.
Right.
But if you're building in that process, then इन दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आई थिंक ले ऑफ इज करेक्ट, बिकॉज वो बोट नहीं चल रहा है या फिर बोट स्टक हो गया, तो इट्स बेटर टू थ्रो सम आउट पीपल आउट, बिकॉज तुमको वो पता है कि वो लोग ऐसे है कि नाउ वो बोट से व्हेन यू हैव थ्रोन दैट पीपल, ठीक है, देयर आर पीपल लाइक यू हैव अदर स्किल्स
राइट राइट
अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अब उनके पास वो एज कंसिडर इट एज अ टूल, वो दूसरा बोट चढ़ लेंगे,
एग्जैक्टली।
ठीक है।
थोड़ा सा टाइम लग जाता है, कभी कभी तुरंत चढ़ जाते हैं, वो ठीक है, बट वो पीरियड जो है ना उस समय वो माइंडसेट रहता है ना उसको, हाउ विल यू मेक योरसेल्फ अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैपेंड, यू नो आज 8 तारीख को ले ऑफ हो गया है, कल तुम्हारा 1 तारीख को EMI से धड़ 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 पड़ेगा, और EMI ऐसा है कि अगर एक बाउंस हुआ तो मतलब फ़ोन कॉल, मतलब ऐसे आदमी परेशान है कि नौकरी से गया, एंड दे आर गेटिंग कॉल्स, भाई व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाई यू आर यू नो, वर्स्ट पार्ट इज
The EMIs are now gundas.
गुंडास, अरे यार यू आर पेइंग, चलो एक EMI बाउंस कर गया, तुम्हारा बैंक को लगेगा, वो फाइन लगाएगा, चेक बाउंस का फाइन लगाएगा, ये जिस कंपनी से हमने लोन लिया वो अपना एक चार्जेस लगाएगा, आई मीन इट्स हेल लॉट ऑफ थिंग, बट दे ह्यूमिलिएट ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट, पैसे भी लो और गाली भी सुनो। आई थिंक समटाइम्स कुछ लोगों को देखते हैं यार पैसे लेके भाग जाते वही अच्छे हैं क्या, व्हेन आई रियलाइज नो इतने,
I think EMI is the only thing we are following जो ancient टाइम से चले आ रहा है, जमींदारी वाला, कि पहले वो भी जलील करता था, अभी भी बैंक स्टार्टअप सब जलील करते हैं।
देयर इज नथिंग बट वही हो गया कि ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पिक्चर था, अब कलर्ड हो गया, अब थोड़ा HD क्वालिटी वाला हो गया, यू नो,
और इधर यू जलील वोकली और इधर यू जलील थ्रू इंटरेस्ट, इंटरेस्ट लगा दो,
वोकली भी करते हैं यार, फोन पे कब दोगे, आज का डेट लगा दे, यू नो, so that was but you know these are learnings, you know, these things should happen, and after that day I never bought anything on EMI, and I closed my credit cards. You
close your credit card?
Yes, I have only one credit card for medical emergency, that too with a very small amount, and EMIs I paid off maximum. I have 3-4 EMIs, and I think in couple of years those will be wiped off, and I just कान पकड़ लिए भैया, पैसे रहेंगे खरीदेंगे, नए पैसे रहेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, मेरे पास नहीं है, and I'm happy with that whatever I have.
I think credit card is like a knife, ठीक है, if you use it right, you get rewards, you get points, you get a lot of free travel.
सच बताएं, क्रेडिट कार्ड, अगर तुम क्रेडिट कार्ड इसलिए ले रहे हो क्योंकि तुमको ज़रूरत है, तब तुम फंसोगे।
Okay.
अगर तुम क्रेडिट कार्ड इसलिए लोगे तुमको ज़रूरत नहीं है, समटाइम्स होता है ना, कुछ ऑफर्स आए, खरीदे एंड यू पेड इट ऑफ, देन यू आर सेफ। एक तो तुम पैसे दिए, उसके बाद में GST वगैरह लगा, और एक दिन लेट हो गए तो इंटरेस्ट ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मोर देन 30% आई गेस तुम देते हो उसमें। और बहुत सारे लोग, आई हैव सीन मेनी पीपल, इवन आई डिड वंस, क्रेडिट कार्ड को चलो बंद कर देते हैं, पे ऑफ करते, नॉट बंद कर देते, पे ऑफ कर देते। आई टुक अ लोन, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई टुक 2 पर्सनल लोन्स, आई रिमेंबर, जस्ट टू पे दोज क्रेडिट कार्ड। देन आई रियलाइज जड़ को ख़त्म करो।
So you took a loan from a place.
Personal loan, I took personal loan.
Then you paid the loan by taking the another loan.
Yes. No, not the loan with loan.
Okay.
I took loan to pay off the credit card because rate of interest is almost 30, more than 30%.
How much? 30%?
Yes, more than 30%. पता नहीं कोई
I'm not an active credit card user.
Never do that. I suggest, स्पेशली जो है ना यंगस्टर्स, हम क्रेडिट कार्ड मतलब ऐसा सोचते हैं, मैं भी तुम्हारी उम्र में ऐसे सोचता था, या ये वो तुम्हारी उम्र क्या, हाल फिलहाल तक कुछ 2-4 सालों तक सोचता था क्रेडिट कार्ड मतलब इट्स अ मनी लाइंग इन माई पॉकेट, आई शुड स्पेंड इट, आई नेवर थॉट कि अब क्या है कि ये छोटा मोटा परचेजेस वगैरह, ऑनलाइन परचेजेस होता है तो करते हैं, एंड आई इंश्योर दैट कि स्टेटमेंट जनरेशन डेट से पहले मैं पे कर दूं ताकि GST भी ना लगे। शायद नहीं लगता है ऐसा, आई एम नॉट श्योर, आई चेक, डबल चेक दैट, तो देन यू आर सेफ। जो तुम्हारा क्या ही इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा 10-15 हज़ार का।
Till you wanted to say something?
No, that's thing.
So till now, like, our major conversation was around, first we started with first we started with Blinkit, Zomato, food delivery, and
YOLO or Zolo, what was that?
YOLO, whatever. Then we switched to, what was our second level? We were talking about startups.
Startups, yeah.
in general?
Startups.
So when we are starting our startup, tell me.
स्टार्टअप्स का मजेदार बात जानते हो क्या है ना? चलो चाय की टपरी खोलनी है, इट्स अ स्टार्टअप, लेट्स co-founded by this, co-founded. I have seen literally somewhere pasted over there, co-founders, एक पैसा गिन रहा है और एक चाय बना रहा है. I'm not, I mean like that, it's happened. And why this happened, you know? Because now people are educated. और उसको समझ में आता है कि हम टपरी का जो है बहुत बड़ा, वो एक महेश्वरी था ना, वो चाय जो सम महेश्वरी, आई डोंट
MBA चाहिए.
हाँ, MBA चाय वाला. So everybody has got that dream and it's very good.
So there is a lot of copy in India. B.Tech chai wala from, मतलब MBA chai wala is the origin, but there are a lot of the B.Tech,
अरे
B.Com.
I mean, breaking news, डॉली चाय वाला भी शायद I saw somewhere कि वो अपना फ्रेंचाइजी दे रहा है.
opening his own franchise.
बताओ करके.
So its major income is from influencing. So
That's how
we're talking about startups. So welcome co-founder. ठीक है.
Yeah, this is the, I mean, अपना वो रखा जाए co-founder. Thank you.
We are also starting, and so
Yeah. I'm thinking, and but very soon we will maybe, you know, hopefully next जब हम लोग बात करें तो उसी के बारे में बात करें.
I will talk about it. Like we majorly did this because I'm not sure like we can अभी say what space we are building in, because थोड़ा सा वो मार्केट यहाँ पे नया है, बट इट्स FMCG स्पेस, उतना बता सकते हैं. ठीक है,
मतलब मेरा भी गट फीलिंग बता रहा है. एंड अभी तक जितने भी काम किए हैं तो आई डोंट थिंक ये फेलियर होगा. हाँ, you know,
should always go with your gut feeling, always.
Yeah, maybe, you know, the profits or, you know, turnover, वो जो हम सोच रहे हैं वो ना हो, उसमें थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे या बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकता, बट फेलियर नहीं है, that's for sure. I'm confident about that. I don't know, what do you think about it?
So it's the same company which we are building. ठीक है. See, my major focus while building this company is कि we are starting this from scratch.
Right.
ठीक है. And I genuinely want to consider it as a baby. ठीक है.
Of course.
ठीक है.
The more you give, I mean, the more time you give, the more you nurture, you will get the results.
Very true. And for a lot of period, I wanted to build something in FMCG. So finally we got that gap. And we're building.
I mean, your brain and little bit of my experience can do a lot of difference. You know, we have worked for others. I mean, you also worked for others, and you definitely made some differences to that company. You know, कुछ तो अच्छा ही किए होगे, and they also realize. Even I did, you know, कुछ चीज़ें कभी मैं बैठता हूँ, I think about it, you know, what are my strengths? What are my weakness? Where should I work on it, you know? So I just take few examples from my past experience, and that helps me, you know, कि हाँ यहाँ पे, you know, I can utilize my strengths, और ये मेरा जो कमियाँ हैं उसको, you know, उसको कैसे हटाया जा सके. I think that will help me.
So can you answer like why you are starting?
As I said, you know, I don't want to be in that situation again जहाँ पे मेरा दिमाग आतामाजी सटकली हो जाए, you know, and I don't find any. It's not like that, you know, if I ask help from my friends, they would have definitely help. I have few friends and whom I really rely on mentally. जब भी ऐसा situation आता है, yeah, I have few good friends who stand beside me. तो I don't expect कि financially ही हो जाए, you know. वो expectation रखना भी बेवकूफ़ी होगा, you know, कि तुम्हारा जो सैलरी आ रहा उतना कोई तुमको हेल्प कर दे, you know. तो वो जो गैप आ रहा था, वो गैप को फिल करना है. That's the reason, you know, somehow it developed in myself that, you know, I need to do something.
Wrap up question. ठीक है. Are you in love?
No, I'm not.
You should be love and building our company.
Yeah, I love my job. I love my work.
I love your work.
Yeah, I love them.
If you love your work, you will get rewards.
Absolutely. Reward, I'm not expecting rewards, but, you know, I want something to be, you know, could be, for example, if something clicks, you know, कल को मैं नहीं भी रहूँगा तो founded by, ये हमेशा रह जाएगा. और मेरे जो सक्सेसर जो भी होंगे या तुम्हारे सक्सेसर जो भी होंगे वो अगर इतने वर्क हार्ड दे कैन keep that thing. Otherwise,
Do you think you are having self-doubt while you are building this?
no, I don't have not even a 0.001.
So you're confident.
I'm confident. I thought of doing this in Bangalore, but what I never thought कि मतलब I'll be doing that job, whatever I was doing, and I'll have this thing as well parallelly. But what I found over there, I don't have much connections over there.
True.
Here I have many, I have good connections. I have many people, if required, I can call them, even for help, or maybe, if I need manpower, I easily available, And when you start something, you cannot afford to have, good number of manpower. So I have good number of friends over there here who can come and help me. So that's the trust which I have over here.
No, also sometimes it's the city which decides what is the best city where you want to start.
Exactly.
Bangalore is right now, for our startup, it's not the right place to get started.
There are a lot of players.
Apart from a lot of players, वही है कि
कहाँ जाके
market
करेंगे,
condition
कहाँ,
not
हाँ,
the
उसको समय हो सकता है यहाँ पे जो मेरे को शायद 1 साल लगे या 6 महीने लगे, वहाँ पे मेरे को 5 साल 10 साल लग सकते हैं.
Very true. No, but this will also not take like a see, ये ट्रांजिशन पहले था.
हाँ.
पहले क्या था ना कि यहाँ Tier 3 का जो भी था used to go to Tier 1, do an MBA and build for Tier 2 and Tier 3. Now what is happening? Tier 3 is building for Tier 2 and Tier 1. This is the transaction.
Table got turned.
And this is happening before lockdown, and you will see a massive change. Pick any startup. ठीक है. There are now a lot of the startups which are built from Tier 3 city.
Exactly.
A lot of. I think one of the boost was Shark Tank. ठीक है. Because of Shark Tank, like the keywords, the startup funding got a dinner table conversation. सब घर में बात कर रहे थे. Because of which a lot of homegrown brands are coming in. But this transition happening. Like right now, Tier 3 people, the city is building for Tier 1.
Exactly.
So this is the same thing which I tweeted. ठीक है. I think 6 months back.
Not so active on Twitter.
Okay. So it's a really good place. So I tweeted this same thing, like Tier 3 is building for Tier 1. It got noticed by a angel investor from Jharkhand. Like they have a circle called Jharkhand Angel Investor. So then we had a call. He texted me and like, I really like your thought. He texted, we got connected, and he was like, if you ever think of starting a brand, tell me, I will help you to get to the Shark Tank interviews. ठीक है. Because when Shark Tank started, कोई भी brand नहीं जाता था. It was new, but now it's massive. Even to get in interviews, it's very hard. उससे पहले बहुत screening process होता है.
Okay.
So because he already has helped a brand to be there, he was like, I'm looking for a brand in Tier 3 city. If you ever start a brand or you already have a brand, tell me, I will help you to convert that. At least I will help you to get into the screening process.
Okay.
Apart from उसके आगे तुम्हारा है.
किस्मत.
So it's not nepotism, it's called like kismat, right? So there are a lot of people which will help you if you just put out yourself.
If people see that you are going towards right direction, people will keep on adding.
Very true.
That happens. And just Shark Tank बोला तो ये एक marketing भी हो गया. I have seen people, though it was not a very good product or they didn't funded that particular company, but अरे ये Shark Tank में आया था, use करो, अच्छा है. ये एक
yes, the viewership is very high.
ये set हो गया. Especially with the people जो Shark Tank देखता है तो वो entertainment के लिए तो नहीं देखता.
So a lot of brands went just for the publicity. मतलब उनको funds देना नहीं था, एक equity देना नहीं था, फिर भी they went for marketing.
Shark Tank में appear किए. जैसे होता है ना, एक सेलिब्रिटी को बुलाना है छोटे शहर में वगैरह में, अरे वो तो इंडियन आइडल में गया था, भले वो फर्स्ट राउंड में ही छट गया.
And that too free of cost. Going to Shark Tank cost you 0. हाँ, बस फ्लाइट का खर्चा लगेगा, but it cost you 0.
चलेगा, उतना ले सकते हैं. फ्री का पब्लिसिटी देता है यार, अच्छा खासा पब्लिसिटी देता है. प्रोडक्ट
Massive,
अगर
like,
तुम्हारा
cool.
प्रोडक्ट में दम है, वो फंड करे ना करे बात की बात है, अगर तुम्हारे प्रोडक्ट में दम है और वहाँ से तुम आए
Yes,
हो,
very true.
फ्री का तुम्हारा ये, हमको लगता है कि सारा एक तरफ और वो एक तरफ हो जाएगा.
So finally a series, no, serial which has affected India a lot.
Which one?
Shark
Oh
Tank.
yes.
I consider Shark Tank as a serial because मम्मी भी देखती है, पापा भी देखते हैं. Same goes to serial. अनुपमा मम्मी भी देखती है, पापा भी देखते हैं, दीदी भी देखती है, सब. So Shark Tank is also same.
पहले आई यूज टू सी प्रोडक्ट्स, मतलब अलग अलग जो प्रोडक्ट्स आते, कुछ नए नए तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स, सो दैट इंस्पायर्ड मी अ लॉट कि इसको कैसे करते होंगे वैसे. बट आई नेवर थॉट कि मतलब आई विल डू दैट. बट नाउ नवंबर 2024 वो दिमाग में हिट किया. एंड इसके बाद में जब बैंगलोर गया, माई वन ऑफ माई वेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड, आई कंसिडर हिम एज अ माई यंगर ब्रदर, वो तो मेरे को अच्छा खासा पंप किया कि भाई देख, अब
To get started.
जॉब के भरोसे रहना बड़ा मुश्किल है. एनी वन कैन कम इन टू दिस सिचुएशन. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि आज तुम सिचुएशन में आए तो आई एम लाफिंग एट यू. नो, it can come to anyone, for you, I mean, youngsters like you, if you guys do something at certain age, all of a sudden this kind of thing, नौकरी करो, you will learn lot of things. नौकरी जब करते हैं we learn lot of things, but at the same time a strong backup को भी खुद से बनाओ. Now if you are lucky enough कि ancestor आ रहा है,
No, you mentioned खुद से बनाओ, because अभी being an entrepreneur is a choice.
Exactly. और ये मज़ा अलग होता है भाई, कोई लाके दे दिया एंड when you shape a baby, something, from scratch, if you build something, उसको देखने का मज़ा, और एक कोई बना के दे दिया उसको देख के मज़ा. when you get success and all that, जब तुम देखोगे अरे ये पिन यहाँ पे लग रहा था, then I have done something like this, you remember, you will have so many stories to tell, to your friends, to your coming generation. बट कोई ला के दे दिया, क्या स्टोरी बताओगे, अरे वो ला के यहाँ दे दिया, हम बैठ गए. But when you build something, you will have a lot of stories to tell, and I love those.
And we will have a lot of stories to share while building this brand.
Of course.
And we'll try to cover everything, whatever is required, like whatever the journey we are going through. Maybe we'll go to warehouses, or we'll go to
we
the
will
customers.
build
Will when we'll
very small thing we will capture, we'll document, via videos and all that. I love that. If I don't care pass and fail, but when I attain that stage where I consider that नहीं हो पाया, कोई बात नहीं, हो गया, very good. So I will just see the path, that hardships which I input in this journey, that will definitely boost me to do something again. I'll start something again, I'll work on it. It's not like that fail ho gaya, so it's a lesson, it's a learning. There are a lot of learnings which we'll learn. Nobody going to teach me those. कोई MBA, कोई certificate और वो सब मेरे को नहीं सिखाएगा, बट मैं खुद से सीखूंगा, एंड वो गलतियां मैं दोबारा नहीं करूंगा.
हाँ, मतलब this will be for documenting, will be for our purpose, like
of course. I mean it's good if सब जाने भी, तो I don't mind,
मतलब if either even one people is getting, like last time you mentioned कि like he is a public speaker, ठीक है, sometimes, so you mentioned like
one guy, yeah,
he's doing great in life.
Let me his name, Rupesh Durges, I remember. अगर तुम कभी देखे तो यामा का तुमने शोरूम खोला है, हाँ, मेरे को प्लीज यहाँ पे टैग करना.
No, give him royalty.
I'll get your number. I have your number. I'll definitely speak with you.
So tell about that, like
it's nothing. I didn't do anything. That guy was a sales executive, and he was doing his regular job. So I said, sir, मेरा एक सपना है कि मेरा भी डीलरशिप हो. So I felt, ये इतना छोटा बच्चा, हाउ विल ही डू, क्या करेगा, कैसे करेगा. बट ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ही कॉल्ड मी अप, सर मेरा सपना पूरा हुआ, इनॉग्रेशन है सर, आशीर्वाद दीजिए एंड ऑल दैट. आई सेड, आप फिर लाइव कैमरा में देखिए हो रहा है एंड ऑल दैट. आई वाज सो हैप्पी,
that gives you,
हाँ,
because you
I
have
didn't do anything. I don't do, it's completely his efforts, but you know उसके दिमाग में आया कि मैं कर सकता हूँ या नहीं, just वो small क्यों नहीं कर सकता, ये hardly matters for anyone, but उस बंदे के लिए वो hit था. मेरे लिए भी जो इतने दिन से मतलब I got a lot of opportunities where I can build something of my own, but I couldn't do that. That was my willpower, you know. But this time, thanks, नाम हम सक्सेस हो जाएंगे तभी आपका लेंगे. तो that guy, you know, pinched me. He said कुछ नहीं होगा आपसे, घर में बैठे रहो, घर में बैठे रहो. I mean every time.
ले लो नाम बीप कर देंगे. नाम ले लो बीप कर देंगे.
नहीं. He's I mean that person is, you know, he's सब कुछ है हमारे लिए. मेरे for any कभी भी मैं टूटा हूँ तो he was there for me in all respect, you know. So I'll definitely.
So our documentation, even if help like one people to build a brand, to get started,
Yes.
trust me, we
achieved, man.
Yes,
We achieved.
that will be our goal.
And
So our goal is, see, we haven't figured out anything.
we are open for learnings.
Yes, we are.
We are open for learnings. Anyone can help us, you know.
Yes.
Not monetarily, but you know, आप बताओ हमें कहाँ हम लोग शायद गलती कर सकते हैं. That would be great.
Great. We are a learner who are figuring it out, how to build a brand, how to build a startup, how to build it from scratch.
Yes.
And we'll be doing it from today. Not today, we have already started. So today is the transition happening.
Yeah.
In this process, if you want to help us. ठीक है.
All suggestions are welcome, and we will respect your suggestion, and we will read. We acknowledge each and every suggestion for sure.
Or learn from our what we are trying to do.
Yeah, I mean it will take some more
But
time.
काम करो.
काम करो.
Do you watch Shwetab?
बैठो मत, रील स्क्रॉल मत करना प्लीज, है ना. करो, इट्स नॉट बैड. कभी कभी रील वालों का भी तो घर चलना चाहिए, है ना. बेचारे इतने मेहनत से बनाते हैं. बट you know I'm going to put this in shorts. हाँ प्लीज रील स्क्रॉल मत करते रहना.
तो हमारा भी रील्स में जाएगा.
या हमारा
घर भी उससे चल सकता है. मैं भी.
बढ़िया है, ये बढ़िया रहा. So it was really, I mean,
How was
Tarun, I mean it's luck for me. I thanks to my friend, you know. We met, we thought about it, and so the combination is deadly. Maybe I don't say I have ample experience, but yes, a little bit of experience which I have that may can.
Why do you always underplay yourself?
नहीं तो बोलेगा बहुत बोलता है. बहुत ज़्यादा सच में, मतलब उतना भी नहीं है, मतलब जो थोड़ा बहुत है.
No, but I think see, today in today's world it's like a jungle. ठीक है, you have to shout yourself. Hi, I'm Bhaskar. ठीक है, तुम्हें बोलना पड़ेगा कि Hi, I'm Bhaskar. I am good at this. I'm good at this. Please consider me. क्योंकि इतना noise है market में.
For me ये problem है, जानते हो. I mean, it's very starting. I have seen people, you know, अगर ये यहाँ से यहाँ रखें तो they will build a story और उसके पीछे मतलब कितना बड़ा काम कर दिए. For me it's like that. अरे यार उसको तो हटा ही दिए हैं.
So that solution is you cater through a storytelling method.
So that
don't make it boring.
That I'm very bad about it. You know कि एक होता है ना वो मैंने ये किया, I mean मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, अरे यार credit लेना. I feel ashamed about it, you know. Sometimes maybe I'm wrong, right? I'm not saying कि ये बुरा है या अच्छा है credit लेना.
But that is one of the trait of a good founder, that they are like, I want to work behind the computers.
Okay.
Like they're called hackers.
Okay.
So you're a hacker.
I'm not. I don't scam. I don't hack. Very simple person. Yes, everybody has got, you know, good and bad, evil side. So, but I'm a normal human being. I don't harm people. That's it.
Don't worry. My trait is I always overplay and under-deliver. ठीक है. You always underplay and over-deliver. It's a good combination.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. We'll see. I mean, आज तो maybe कुछ दिन बाद बोलोगे ये बोलता ज़्यादा करता कुछ नहीं.
That's a part of building a company. ठीक है. You have to keep saying. Manifesting that. Okay, I'm building this brand. I'm building this X brand.
That's in my mind.
The subconscious mind.
वो है, मतलब उठते बैठते नीचे ऐसे, इसलिए मैंने तुम्हारा नाम वो को फाउंडर के नाम से सेव किया, दैट विल हिट मी, कीप ऑन हिटिंग मी। एक बंदा कर रहा है कुछ, आई शुड यू नो, आई शुड नॉट बैक ऑफ। सोचे आई मीन क्या ही दिक्कत है, क्या ही, बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा नुकसान नहीं होगा।
Very true.
शायद उतना पैसा में हमको शायद जितना इन्वेस्ट करेंगे हम लोग जो भी कर रहे हैं, तो उतना पैसा अगर इन्वेस्ट करते तो इतना लर्निंग नहीं मिलेगा जो ये साइकिल में, पूरा ये जर्नी में हम लोगों को विल गेट लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग, यू नो, इट्स पीनट्स फॉर दैट लर्निंग, आई मस्ट से। सो आई होप थिंग्स वुड गो गुड।
चलो
चलो
we should end this अभी। It's already
बहुत टाइम हो गया ना,
एक कितना टाइम?
1:10 हो गया,
It's already 1.
10
Okay, we'll
past
end
1.
this
Yes.
and hopefully we'll document everything.
Sure.
ठीक है।
It was lovely talking to you, lovely having you, and अभी भी हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, है ना?